Hello and welcome back to my channel. How you guys been? Hopefully good. So today we are going to be unboxing a item from MSCHF, as you can probably tell from the title. I am a huge fan of MSCHF and all of the wacky, zany things that they create. We got the Boosted Pack Spring Break Edition, which are really fun. Also got the Mariah Carey one for the holidays. My boyfriend and I took the SAT as well as played the Tontine game that they had. So huge fans, and we've been following them for a minute. This is one of their latest items on their new-ish shoe line, and I'm super excited because they just look like the shoes of my dream from like high school, maybe. Am I aging myself? I don't know. So let's do it. Let's see what it's like inside. Again, you might have seen these on the internets. They've been going around. They've been taken off of the MSCHF shoe app, which to me says they don't exist anymore, I guess. But I'm gonna do an unboxing so you guys get a chance to see them. My God. So here, this is a collab with Tyga and MSCHF, and they created a Wavy Vans pair of shoes. So you can see the box itself looks so Vans, right? You've got the iconic packaging and his logo. You gotta love it. Look at that. It's great. So I got a pretty big pair because my feet are quite large. So let's see what's inside. So right off the bat, they give you a card, MSCHF sneakers. Again, you can download their app and it will actually show you the past shoes that they've created. Some of them are wild. I would definitely suggest going and looking at this app. Pretty cool stuff. And you have this, oh my gosh, amazing. You have the paper that Vans usually puts inside their boxes too. Amazing. Oh my God, look at this, guys. So exciting. So here it is, the grand reveal of this ridiculous shoe. This is the Wavy Van. And you can see just how much, right? It looks exactly like those classic Vans that you used to wear. You know the pair. I cannot. In person, it's even more ridiculous. So the stripe across is all wavy. The stitching's really nice. I actually think this is really well made. It's heavy. Oh, we've got a warning on the bottom. Warning, extremely wavy. By placing your foot in this shoe, you agree to waive any claims against MSCHF for any injury, death, or damages arising from having your foot in this shoe. By placing your foot in the shoe, you also agree to assume all risk of injury arising from having your foot in this shoe. Thanks, MSCHF. And they have a picture of a suffering little man. So I love this. The back of the shoe even has like the Vans logo, and it says Wavy with, I guess, their little mascot here. Not sure what's happening. Something I was wondering actually when I was looking at this shoe online was whether or not the inside would be wavy as well, just like if they're really trolling us or not. So let's check it out. Kind of take this up here. Okay. I don't know if we're going to be able to open this nicely. Ugh. I mean, it's packaged really nice. They really went all out here. And you can see on the inside, it's flat. It has the Wavy MSCHF Tyga logo on the inside there. So you can see super flat on the inside. So it really is just like an aesthetic choice. And I love that they actually have like the waffle design on the bottom. Man, it brings back memories of wearing Vans. Well, awesome. And yeah, I think the resale of shoes like this are getting pretty high for MSCHF just because they only make a limited number. So I'm so happy that I was able to get a pair. Boyfriend wasn't so lucky. He didn't win the rights to buy them, but yeah. Hopefully you are, interested in hopefully you got a good sense of the ridiculousness of this shoe. I don't know if it's safe to wear them and go out in public with them, but man, would you look fire. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I know this is a short one, but if you want, you can check out MSCHF. They make a lot of crazy things, not just shoes. I definitely recommend downloading their app so that you can get the latest drops, because it is quite fun to see what they come up with. All right, until next time, have a good one. Bye, guys.